Courtney here with Drone Hypnotics. Today we're in San Luis Pass in Galveston, Texas. We just started offering residential real estate photography and videography services. If you're a realtor or a property owner who's looking to get some footage booked, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help. Sit back, relax, and enjoy these epic drone views.
This is San Luis Pass, a channel less than 2 miles long where West Bay meets the open Gulf. The water depth ranges 10 to 40 foot, and the county line between Galveston and Brazoria runs through the center.
Strong tidal currents move through the pass year-round, sometimes reaching 5 knots. The sand bottoms shift constantly with every tide cycle, changing conditions quickly.
By land, visitors follow the Blue Water Highway, also known as FM 3005. The San Luis Pass Bridge, built in 1966, is 1.3 miles long and has been toll-free since May of 2025.
On the Brazoria side, the road continues to San Luis Pass County Park with fishing piers and boardwalks. From the water, boats entering the channel immediately feel the strong pull of the current.
The pass supports rich marine life. Pelicans and terns feed actively in the moving water. Wilson's plovers and snowy plovers work along the shoreline.
In late summer, large flocks of over 25,000 black terns stage here. Wild frigate birds roost on the bay pilings from April through September. The tidal flow creates an important corridor for fish.
Anglers find redfish cruising the channels and speckled trout near the drop-offs. Flounder work the bottom in cooler months while summer brings black drum, bull reds, and sharks. This makes San Luis Pass one of the most consistent fisheries on the upper Texas coast.
The area has significant history. In the 1830s, the port town of San Luis stood on the Brazoria shore with nearly 2,000 residents before storms and shifting sand caused it to be abandoned.
In 1878, the United States Life Saving Service built Station San Luis on the west end of Galveston Island. The station operated for 70 years until the 1949 Texas hurricane destroyed the facilities.
Major hurricanes have repeatedly reshaped the shoreline. The 1900 Galveston hurricane, the 1915 storm, and Hurricane Ike in 2008 all moved large amounts of sand, yet the pass channel has remained in its position.
The water here is known for its hazards. Hidden drop-offs and powerful currents make the wading extremely dangerous. Swimming has been banned on the Galveston side for years, with the warning signs posted on both shores.
The currents have taken many lives over the decades. In summer 2025, there were 4 drownings in the pass area. On December 17, 2025, a 71-year-old fisherman was pulled under the bridge on the Galveston side.
Both counties have added more signs and increased patrols. After these incidents, conditions at the San Luis Pass can change without warning.
From above, the pass remains one of the most direct and unaltered connections between Bay and Gulf on the Texas coast, a place shaped entirely by nature and time.
Yet the story of San Luis Pass extends far beyond its dangerous currents. Just east on Galveston Island, you'll find Galveston Island State Park, a protected haven of coastal prairie, salt marshes, and natural beaches.
This diverse landscape draws thousands of migrating songbirds each spring and fall and offers excellent kayaking through the bayou systems.
During summer, these same beaches serve as vital nesting grounds for sea turtles. Endangered Kemp's Ridley turtles and green sea turtles crawl ashore at night, leaving their unique tracks for conservation teams to study.
Across the pass lies Follett's Island, a 13-mile barrier island in Brazoria County that shelters Christmas Bay. Its dunes and wetlands create one of the coast's most productive nurseries for young marine life.
San Luis Pass County Park on that side welcomes visitors with camping, fishing piers, and boardwalks. Long ago, this channel served as a concealed backdoor route into Galveston's Bay for smugglers and pirates.
Centuries earlier, the Karankawa people made these shores their home. These tall nomadic warriors traveled the bays in dugout canoes, leaving behind archaeological sites that still mark the west end of Galveston Island today.
What's truly remarkable is that San Luis Pass is one of only 2 naturally stable tidal inlets left on the entire Texas coast. It holds its position through nothing but the power of the tides and shifting sands.
A wild, untamed gateway where the Gulf and West Bay have met for thousands of years, constantly reshaping yet somehow enduring.
But even with its powerful reputation, San Luis Pass still holds many quiet wonders just waiting to be discovered along this wild western stretch of Galveston Island.
This area is famous among shellers as one of the top spots on the Texas coast. After the tide turns, beachcombers regularly find lightning whelks, Texas's official state shell, along with moon snails, olive shells, and perfect sand dollars lining the shore.
Photographers also make the trip for good reason. The San Luis Pass Bridge, framed against those fiery Gulf sunsets, creates some of the most stunning coastal images you'll find anywhere along the Galveston Island.
Nearby, the Coastal Heritage Preserve protects nearly 900 acres of pristine wetlands and coastal prairie. Groups like Artist Boat offer unique eco-art kayak tours where you paddle the marshes by day and then sit down with the watercolors to paint the very landscape surrounding you.
The West End is also being strengthened by an important beach nourishment project that added hundreds of thousands of cubic yards of new sand in 2025 and 2026 to help fight coastal erosion and protect this fragile barrier island.
As evening arrives, the sky over the pass lights up in brilliant shades of orange and pink, while the bridge lights start to glow across the water.
This is Galveston Island at its most authentic, wild, untamed, and incredibly beautiful.
So come spend a day at San Luis, search for shells along the beach, capture an unforgettable sunset, or simply sit and enjoy the rhythm of the tides.
Just stay safe, pay attention to the currents, and respect this powerful place.
San Luis Pass is more than a channel between the bay and the Gulf. It's a living invitation to experience that raw beauty of Texas coast. Plan your visit soon and create memories that will stay with you long after you leave.
If you enjoyed this video, one free way you can support the channel is to subscribe.
It's 100% free.
We are now offering our professional filmmaking services.
You can visit our website for real estate photography, videography, and more here in the Galveston County, Texas area.
We'd love to make a custom, captivating video of your home, ranch, or business.
We're professional, fast, and extremely competitive in pricing. We can even help market to our 55,000 plus Texas-based social media followers. You won't find services like this anywhere else.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next one.